early in the chase on two wheels. I can feel loads of wind blowing into me. Fuck that shit. There's loads and loads of evil side winds, yeah? Turn head on into the wind, baby! Head on into the wind! Yes! Do it! We might have lost it. Yeah, we never had it, motherfucker! Quiz tonight, 7:30! We lost it. We lost it. Yeah, we did. See, there's a fucking massive fucking line there. Just because fucking chickens. Line straight outside their fucking house. A crater from where someone had to slam the brakes and go into a soft verge.